All right. Emperor pork leg. Oh, no matter how delicious it is, I don't know how I eat a ham and cheese sandwich. How do I come to Thailand for that? I'm making a video for my friends. That looks good.
It would be funny if you come to Thailand and just order that.
Yeah, I want a ham and cheese sandwich, please. Stir-fried squid with pickle garlic. Okay. Some mackerels. I think all of these are gonna happen, don't you think? All of them? I just want, well, I can sneak in like a second lunch.
You eat it at night. You want to try all of that?
I do. Now it gets more interesting because now you get the spicy snake head soup. It tastes better with a head on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But that's the one right there.
The point is, do you want to see the fish head?
Yeah, I want to see a fish head. You know, they don't give you the head in Kansas. There you go. And dessert, you get, looks like Fruity Pebbles. What is it? Glutinous rice balls in coconut milk.
And it's a powder, and you make it in a circle
Yeah.
with a coconut milk. And this one too, but this one is feel more delicious.
We'll just have to try them all.